Just need to get this valve stopped. We gotta replace this thing, man. It's leaking. I'm kind of hung up because this won't turn out, so we're gonna go study this. This is one of those cool old basements. Not very big, but it's like a little bunker down here. I'm gonna turn this light off. So I tried everything to get this off of here. Then we had to use, those are all the tools. And I finally used this. Crack the end of it like that. Threads all look good. And we can repair this. Take that seal out of here too. So up in here we got the seal and the springs. I took one out already. There's a straight spring and the seal. We're gonna replace those. And the ball, I think. We got all new parts. I'm gonna replace this, everything that's in here. This is the scene. Once we put that back together, we'll clean all this up. I'm gonna use some vinegar. This is straight vinegar. Okay, this valve has been rebuilt. It works fine, tested. Now we're going to finish this off.